Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use School Bytes. Begin by logging into your account using the secure credentials provided by your school. Once inside, you will discover a clear dashboard displaying key information at a glance, such as upcoming events and important recent announcements. Familiarizing yourself with the intuitive layout is the first critical step to harnessing this powerful tool for your family's school journey and staying well-informed. Keeping your child's profile up to date is extremely important. Navigate to the Student Profile section, typically found in the main menu, to review and edit personal details, medical conditions, and emergency contacts. Schools rely on this accurate information, so taking just a few minutes each term to confirm its correctness helps ensure your child's well-being and a smooth communication flow with the school. School Bytes serves as your primary hub for all school communications. Check the news feed or announcements section regularly for vital updates and newsletters. The integrated calendar allows you to track excursions, parent-teacher interviews, and other key events far in advance, ensuring you never miss an important date and remain fully engaged with your child's educational journey. Handling school payments and permissions is straightforward with School Bytes. Go to the Payments or Excursion sections to view outstanding fees and make secure online payments for activities, uniforms, or school lunches. You can also grant digital permissions for your child to participate in various events with just a few clicks, making administrative tasks incredibly efficient for busy families.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.